Today we will do the security and pharma event at DG Press, and there we will show the performance of the DG Vision.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the DG Press Open House.
The benefit of people coming to us is that they especially come for us, and we can spend a lot of time with them explaining the machine and its capabilities.
It's super impressive. I didn't know really anything about security printing at all, so the demo there was really fascinating.
What we like over here and also with DG Press is the relaxed environment. We can always talk and discuss with people from DG Press.
We produce them by electroforming.
Hands-on and investigate the seized products.
We are here as stand holder at such an event. Those customers can get all the right information. For us it is very important to interact with people.
The big advantage of DG Vision are the high speed, the high color consistency and register. And secondly, it's very important that with the DG Vision you can print hybrid printing process.
I would really hope that DG Press continues doing events like this and also show up at other events.
It's a whole other thing to be able to talk to the people that build the machines and that design the machines and that support the machine.